Hi guys. So tomorrow's August 11th, which is a big day. I'm going to Boston Comic Con and I'm like so excited, like you don't even know. Always wanted to go to Comic Con so badly. So I don't want to cosplay because I just don't. I'm not really like into that. But I do want to represent. So I'm going to be wearing this Wonder Woman shirt and I wanted my nails to match. So that's what today's video is going to be. I'm going to be doing kind of like a gradient on my nails and then writing a W for Wonder Woman. I already decided all the colors I'm going to be using, and yeah, I'll show you the materials now. So I'm going to be using this matte blue nail polish, LA Colors Red, and this Pure Ice Gold for just the base gradient. I'll be using this Wet n Wild matte nail polish, my Sinful Colors clear nail polish, which will be used as the base coat, my like skin protectant so I don't get a bunch of nail polish on my skin, and then I'll be using this white acrylic paint to paint the W on my nails. I'll also be using this white color pencil. I have my brush to clean up, tweezers to take off the glue, and my nail file. I have some nail polish remover, some cotton balls, and the last material I'll be using is this sponge to do the gradient on. So those are all the materials I will be using for this nail look today. I'm not going to be able to show you like me painting it because I have no idea how to work that with my phone. So I'm just going to show you each step that I do like I did in the I Recreated Simply Nailogical tutorial, which is right here. So let's get started painting. So first I'll be taking off my nail polish with some nail polish remover. So cotton balls. All right, so I'm back from taking the nail polish remover off of my nails, and then from then I just put on the base coat and the glue because that was just like a pointless part. I literally just recorded this like 5 minutes ago and I realized that the mic wasn't on, so I started doing these two nails. They look amazing. Like I love this so much. So basically the process that I do to get this gradient is I put red nail polish on top, overlap it a little bit with the gold, and then overlap that with blue. I let it soak in, and then I do the same process again, do two nails, and then just, you know, repeat the cycle. I'll come back when I'm done. All right, guys, so I'm back from doing both coats. I love this. I love this. As you can see, my fingers are covered in nail polish, so I'm going to be removing them with these tweezers that I may or may not have accidentally dipped in nail polish. All right, so I finished taking off all of the glue. It is so messy. Whoa, what is that? All right, so I finished cleaning up my nails. They look so beautiful. I'm so excited. All right, so now I'll take my matte nail polish. Yeah, they're dry. I do that to test if they're dry. Like if it doesn't leave like a mark or something on my lip, then that's how I know it's dry. So I painted the nail. It looks very shiny now, but it's gonna get very, very dull. So I finished painting the matte on. It's not all dry yet, but I'm going to prepare for the lettering. I've been practicing for a while. I really hope I don't mess this up because I want this to look, not like I got them done, but like, you know, professional. Once they're all dry, I'm going to be drawing W's, so I'm gonna write it like that. There's so many like good people that are gonna be there. I think it's gonna be so fun. After this video, it's going to be the vlog, so I can't wait to show you. Oh, I keep saying I'm so excited, but it's so true. All right, so while this is drying, I'm gonna start doing this hand. So then after everything dries, that's when I'll do this. I'll see you guys soon. Peace. So I finished doing both nails. They look incredible. This hand is always gonna be so hard to do because I'm painting with my left hand, which is not my dominant hand. So it's always gonna just look a little bit of lower quality. So gonna take the tip of this, dip it in some paint, and write a W. Okay. It actually looks so good. Oh my gosh. Can't see it. Can it just focus? Just this once. Well, it's not focusing, so yeah. It looks amazing. So I'm gonna continue doing it for all my nails, and then I'll show you guys the final product. I'm so scared. See you guys then. All right, guys, I finished the look and it looks amazing. Like, I love this so much. So here are the nails. Well, that's the wrong way, but here are the nails. Obviously this hand came out a little bit bad because I had to write it like that. Very frustrating. I was like, oh my god, this is not gonna look good, but it looks pretty good. This hand though looks amazing. I put the mat over it so the paint doesn't wash off, and yeah, it looks amazing. I'm so excited. I'm gonna show you guys a different angle right now. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was super fun, for me at least. I don't know if this was boring because I couldn't really show you. I know it was kind of weird. But comment down below if you'd like to see more videos like this where I do my nails. And hopefully I'll have some better equipment where I can show you guys. But yeah, please like, subscribe, comment, and share this with your friends because big things are happening over here. Make sure to check out my next video, which will be the Comic-Con video. I'm so excited. And I'll see you guys then. Bye. So, yo, I'm so mad right now. I was about to do it again. Oh my god, I thought I ruined my nail. I was so scared about this one, guys. Look at how lumpy it is.